Ever wondered how math is used in real life? Well, it's used in one of the most played video games of all time. And that game is math is used throughout the game of Mario. This ranges from how you move, run, jump, and grab coins. One way the game uses math are the use of parabolas. See that parabola? Let's have another look. How about we put an x and y axis so you can see the parabola better? Mario jumped in the shape of a parabola. The equation for his jump is y equals negative x raised to the second power. The equation for a regular parabola is y equals x squared, but we put a negative in front because the parabola is upside down. If I place an axis of symmetry on the parabola, the axis of symmetry divides the parabola in two perfect halves. If we rotate the image, the regular equation of a parabola can be seen. Ta-da! This is what a regular parabola looks like, with the equation y equals x squared. Let's not forget about Luigi. Sweet moves, Luigi. When Luigi jumps, he jumps a little bit higher than Mario, but not as far. Luigi's parabola would be a little narrower than Mario's. The equation for Luigi's jump is negative 2x raised to the second power. When we add a number in front of the x squared, the parabola gets either wider or narrower. That number is called a coefficient. If the coefficient in front of the x squared, not looking at negatives, is greater than 1, the parabola will get narrower. If the coefficient is between 0 and 1, not looking at negatives, the parabola will get wider. In Luigi's case, he did not travel as far, so his parabola would be narrower. How about we give Mario a running start? Mario jumps farther now. In that case, the parabola would get wider. When Mario jumps, Mario's jump equation is now negative 0.5 x squared. Notice how the coefficient in front of the x squared, not looking at negatives, is now between 0 and 1. Mario jumped pretty high, huh? Well, he started from a higher place. When starting from a higher place, the parabola makes a translation upward on the y-axis. That equation would be negative x squared plus 4. The 4, which is called the constant, would represent how many units higher Mario started his jump. Changing the constant would make the parabola shift up or down. In this case, the parabola shifted 4 units up. Spin, Luigi, spin. See the top of Luigi's head? That's the vertex of the parabola. The vertex is the point where the parabola changes direction. In this case, the highest point Luigi was able to jump, and whenever Luigi starts to drop down because of gravity. Not only Mario, but parabolas and math in general can be seen in many different video games and can be very useful in the real world.